It's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. Mala nu the hura lippy food to the snaha kosa keko. It's mise teanga. It's mise teanga shincha ward and wistra and nifiki real the skega kangelcha. Corp brista brucha. Curfy cloher a coo clee ravraco and lay. It's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. I am the tongue. I am the tongue in the kidnapper's sack, lips stitched, feet flailing. I am the tongue bound in a butcher's block in government offices, a battered broken corpse stitched at dawn. It's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. Mise teanga filling sa niha kjolti she Mickey me ow. Snawam tina kabli avlisha. Kjolam os isha la vilma de mulligainer de habla. Etstum tina pachasti du gora karunda. Fin kahar vrishta. It's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. I am the tongue. I am the tongue who comes in the night. I am Jinx, swimming through flax and electricity cables. I sing softly in the element of the bulb in your table. I am Johnny Dark, Creole. I wing through secret pitch black passageways beneath the broken city. It's mise teanga. Mise teanga hiacni and tuur na boy for Doracha, Cree du, Franamort from Lampus Raja Buig and Cornell, Lanham de Lurag mar Lanan Julti, mise teanga. Mise teanga hosti tu, Orhamea Boka du and Ilakora Munyin Jerka, it's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. I am the tongue you shun on dark roads and pubs, it's mise teanga. I am voodoo waiting for you in the corner, under the yellow street lamp, stalking you like a jilted John, it's mise teanga. It's mise teanga. I am the tongue you silenced. I am patois, mumbo, jumbo, juju. It's mise teanga. I am a mojo of words. It's mise teanga. I am a mojo of words. It's mise teanga. I am a mojo of words in the back pocket of the weirdo poet busking for bursaries.